Lady, and we are getting ready to do a video on some bull riding rodeo chaps. So these are called batwing chaps. Let's get going. These are considered a batwing chap, and I just wanted to help him out and clean it because they might be clean for the next bull ride. And it looks like there's a bunch of snot down at the bottom. So I went and played around with the bottom and I was thought, well, as a gift, I'll go ahead and clean it. However, he might like this patina to show that he's really put his grit and grime in it. So what I did is I cleaned the white up here. And so what I'm using is, if you guys want to clean your chaps, this is what you do. I mean, this is a way of doing it. So I use a product called Natural Leather Cleaner. This is Be Natural, and we sell this on our website, but it goes a long way. So I'm just going to do a little bit of spot because I don't know if he wants all this patina. I have not asked him. So all you're going to do is squirt it on. Let it set for just a second. Like, it doesn't take long. And then you're just going to wipe it off. You can see I've already wiped all this corner off. And then you're just going to wipe it off. And some of this has probably been on there a while. You can see it whitening it up. And these are old. He's going to have me make a new pair. Be really gentle if you get in there and you scrape off some of this. This is, yeah, you don't want to scrape off that top layer of white. Okay, but there we go. Get some of those spots out of there. Look at that. So clean, really easy to clean. And then just let it dry. And you are done. So go on our website and order Be Natural, the leather cleaner. This you can use on suede and you can use on nubuck. You can use it on deerskin and exotics. If you do it on suede, we're going to show you what you can do. See how dirty this is back here? You're going to want to use a brass brush. Okay. So this is a little brass brush that you can get for like your shoes and stuff. We sell them online as well. But you're just going to get a little brass brush and you're just going to spray. I'm just going to do a corner. Okay, I'm going to let it set for just a second. Let it soak in a little bit. Now it is going to darken it until you dry it. But there we go. It's all nice and clean. That spot is gone. Okay. So you can use that and clean that. Now, if it doesn't come 100% clean like you like it, you can use this on your saddles and everything as well. If it doesn't come clean as you like it, then go ahead and do a second coat. But definitely it does whiten up very nicely. Cleans up your stuff really nicely here. Sorry, my finger is really sore. I'm starting to get those ugly old people bumps, and I'm like, gosh, really? But see, it cleans up the metallic really, really nice on this side as well. So there you have it. If you want to clean your chaps, that's one way to do it. It's a good product. It protects your chaps and everything. And not only that, but you can use this on your saddles, your boots. You can use it on, like I said, the exotics, anything of that nature, any top grain. So I hope this helped you. And don't forget to go to the leatherladyllc.com or watch more of our videos. Thanks for watching.